All right, I'm on to the next set of PLLs, which is swap one set of adjacent corners. So these are the R perms, the J perms, the T perm, and the F perm. F perm is my favorite. I don't even know why, but I don't remember it. So anyway, first RA perm. So R U R F prime R U2 R. Oh, I remember that. That's not hard. Yeah, these are not very hard. Yeah, it just kind of feels natural. So. Oh, yeah. So. The RA perm, by the way. Like this. It's just got the one set of lines. Okay. That's it's not a horrible alg. Not hard. Not too bad. Okay, RB. That's not a bad alg either. Just a regrip. Oh. Alright, it's with the line on the backside. I was gonna say I think I messed that up, but I guess not. So the cool thing about the for A and B algs, they're almost always very similar. You know what I mean? Just they vary slightly in some ways. It's a nice alg. JA I remember. It's just this. I remember JB as well. I don't know why I remember that. I was just thinking about it and I was like, oh, I know J. Stuff like that. And then JB perm is the fastest PLL. Oh shit, why I know it, trust me, I just screwed it up. Hi. Wait, what? Wait, whoa. Alright, here's a T perm. This is the first. Wow, how did I screw up a T perm? That's the first I ever learned. Oh yeah, there we go. That's JB perm. It's the best alg because so T perm would be, but the nice thing about the JB perm is that 1 out of 4 times you won't even need to do an AUF. Whereas T-perm, you will, of course. T-perm. The J-perm is just, it's the same thing, it's just, flopped. Recognition is super easy as well for both. T-perm's got the headlights, so those are really good. That leaves F-perm, my favorite, but I don't remember it, so I'm gonna have to look. Whoop! I just love the way F-perm looks. I'll show it off. It just looks so cool. Alright, so anyway. Okay, I love it. I love it because this is what it looks like. It just looks so cool. I don't know why, but to me it looks like a castle. And I love the flick at the end, so it's with your middle finger up and like that. It just feels so cool. So it just so cool. You can do a regrip here? Actually, yeah, the regrip is kind of needed. So regrip up here. Yeah, I knew I messed that up, so. Uh, yeah, I saw that. Okay, you perm. Okay, anyway. Perm again. I just love those kind of RUF. I love RUF outs. Just inherently. Especially because they're nice on big cubes. Just how they roll on the fingers. There we go. That's from my favorite. It's fast. It feels really nice on the fingers. Yeah, I knew I messed that up. But something happened, but the point is that it's a nice elk. You can do it so fast. That's an F perm. So again, R perm. Oh, shit. Shit. Yeah, I don't know what happened there, but uh, all right. Yeah, I felt something was not right there, but I wasn't sure what. Oh, an E perm. Learned that yesterday. Relearned it yesterday. All right. Okay. Kind of the opposite. What? I don't know what I'm doing. Hurts to hold up my arm like that. All right. Yeah, I knew I messed that up. Farsa, I love you, girl. Oh, I don't know why I'm struggling with this so much. Not too hard. Okay. So those were those. It'll be one video for now. Okay, let me keep working on it real quick. Day. This. like you're just taking a dive. Pretty nice. Baby perm. Baby perm. Okay. And then my favorite. Yeah, I got it. My arm hurts, man. Perfect. So those are the swap one set of adjacent corners PLLs. So done with that. I'll record another one later. Thank you.